We just spent a week in Crete, which is a Greek island. We booked one of the Moonlight Villas, and this is our villa tour. Link to the villa in the description below. Hi, we're in Crete, and this is where we chose to stay. We rented a villa, which is a 4-bedroom villa with a pool. I will write the town below because I'm not sure how to pronounce it. So this is the villa tour. As soon as you come in, you have a nice modern kitchen, dishwasher, modern appliances, looks very clean, very equipped. Here we have a small dining area, but I anticipate we will be doing most of our dinners outside, which we will see later on. So on the ground floor with the kitchen and the living, we also have another bedroom here. Double bedroom, which I think we have a sofa bed. Very spacious. Here we have a nice living area with a big TV and overlooking the nice pool area. The whole place has air conditioning, and we have a loft level upstairs. Here we have a mezzanine overlooking the living area and outside. Very lovely touch. And up here we have a bedroom and a bathroom. So this is a double bedroom, quite spacious. And on the same level with it, basically like an ensuite, it has its own bathroom. We go back to the ground floor, so we can keep going down to the floor beneath the kitchen and living. And here we have another living space. Sofa beds, television, washing machine, and 2 additional bedrooms with a bathroom. Another double with a sofa bed. Again, very spacious. Bathroom. Oh, they also gave us pods for washing clothes. And the 4th bedroom, which is also a double, and it has an ensuite. Also very good in size. And space for what I assume is more sofa beds. So overall it looks very spacious. Now we'll show you the outdoor area. And this is the outdoor area. We have a dining table, which I think we're going to use a lot. Nice sofa in the shade. Complementing the table, we have a nice built-in barbecue. With sink. We'll test it out later on. A nice pool area, which is the highlight of the place. They gave us floaties to use. Perfect. And we have a lot of space to just chill out. Very modern. Another plus is that you can park right next to the villa, so you can easily unpack everything to the house. Very convenient. The area is very nice. We seem to be in the mountains. Nature sounds. Looks very promising. We'll see how it goes. We had a very friendly guest who was such a good boy whenever he visited us at the villa. You are also able to heat the pool, perhaps for a midnight swim. If you are planning your own trip to Crete, you can also check our Crete playlist on our channel. Thanks for watching.